Anger doesn't demand action. If you act in anger, you are just losing your self control. That means you are giving the power to control you in some other's hands, right? Are you able to control your mind? Do you just react or respond? Are you feeling like anger is not in my control? If you are, don't worry, here is the solution. Hello everyone, I'm Kenny Chin and I'm going to share two ways, yes, just two ways to overcome your anger, which will ensure that you will be able to control your anger. If you really want to know, then you have to just stay with me and watch this video till the end. First of all, there are three kinds of anger: passive aggression, open aggression, and assertive anger. Passive aggression is where you decide to remain silent. You show others that everything is fine, everything is absolutely fine, but deep inside you only know that you are angry. Sometimes it can be referred as a silent anger. The second type, which is the open aggression, is the situation where you show your aggression in an optimum manner. You start responding in an aggressive manner. In brief, you outburst your anger. The third type, that is the assertive anger, is the situation between the passive aggression and the open aggression. Here, you act as a mature person and you speak confidently and put your opinions in front of others. Here, you refuse to remain silent, as well as you are not showing your angerness, you are not showing your aggressiveness by responding in an aggressive manner. As I've told you about the three types of anger, which type is yours? Do comment below. By the way, each and every type has its disadvantages. That's come that we need to overcome anger in totality. I'm going to share the ways to overcome your anger. I've also controlled my anger. I've improved so much than I was having before. I realized that this will not bring any good for me, and so I need to overcome my anger. So the first tip is get surrounded by the people, get surrounded by the things that you like, that you love. Start talking to them. This will make you and your mind calm. It works, just try it out. The second tip that I would recommend you is to follow your passion. After you get angry, do what you're passionate about. If you really like singing, just sing your favorite song. If you really like dancing, just dance it out. If you really like sketching, just sketch. You may also take a nap, and so on and so forth. The thing that I want to convey is do what you like. Neglect the things that is hampering you, that is making you angry. This will relieve your tension, and gradually you will be able to calm your mind. You will be able to overcome your anger. Just try this and you will see the change. Thank you so much for giving me your valuable time.